Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Bodycam Lockdown. I'll link the full video below if you want to watch it start to finish. What begins as a routine Walmart theft call quickly spirals out of control when two officers find themselves struggling with a suspect far stronger than expected. As the situation turns physical, multiple Taser deployments follow, and in the middle of the chaos, one officer loses control of her weapon. The breakdown starts now.
Hey, we gotta talk to you.
No, you don't. Okay. You don't have. Hold on, don't walk up on me like that because you don't know me. We don't got no problem. I just got done exchanging everything. They got everything together. This is what's paid for. I just like to honor.
Okay, so what's the misunderstanding?
Pay attention to what the officers are about to do here. They're getting ready to pull her off to the side so they can start sorting out the story before this situation gets more complicated.
Can we just step out of the way of the thoroughfare? Thank you. What's your last name tonight? And what's your birthday?
82.
Did you come in to make purchases or did you come in to do a return?
No, we just got done shopping. I just spent $500 in this bitch. What?
So you want to complain or what's the... Okay.
Watch closely here. The officers are about to make their move, and you can already feel this situation starting to shift away from a simple conversation into something the cops didn't expect.
All right, we're gonna have to take you into custody, okay?
For what?
So because for the misbringing.
Hold on, wait, stop, don't grab me.
Don't fight
Hold on,
me.
wait, I'm not fighting
Don't fight
you.
with me,
Wait,
you're
stop.
under arrest.
Excuse me, wait,
You're
hold
under
on.
arrest, Opinion.
Listen,
We're not gonna fight
stop,
with you.
because I didn't under ring. Please stop.
You are under arrest.
I understand that, but please stop. No.
Stop fighting with
I'm not fighting, I'm just telling you.
Get down on the ground!
I don't got no problem with that. I don't got no problem.
Listen closely here. The officers are about to start calling out the Taser, and that's usually the point where they realize this situation is becoming harder to control than they first expected.
Behind your back, you're gonna get tased. Hands behind your back, you're gonna get tased.
Behind your back now!
So that's what you do. So why are
Put
you
your hands behind your
so
back.
why did you just? What tactic are you using?
Put your hands
Why are
behind
you
your back.
why are you elbowing me?
Taser.
For what? For
Get
what?
your
Why are you
hands behind your
tagging?
back. Get your
What
hands
are you
behind your back.
tagging? Tasha! Why? Why the?
Watch how chaotic this struggle is about to become. One of the officers is moments away from losing control of her Taser, and that's when situations like this can turn dangerous fast.
Get your hands behind your back, Taser! Get your hands behind your back!
What the f is wrong with you? What did I do? Oh! What are you doing?
You're under arrest!
What are you doing? What the f are you doing? What are you doing?
Get your hands behind your
What
back!
are you doing?
Watch closely here. Even after the Taser comes into play, she's still not letting go, and you can feel the officers starting to realize this struggle is slipping further out of control.
Tasha, please record this. Please record this because she's kneeing me and punching me. Tasha, record it. Record it.
Hands behind your
Record
back!
it, Tasha. She's choking me. She kneeing me. Look at her.
Let's go, Kenya!
Hell no.
Do it now!
You crazy as a motherfucker. On my soul, she not. They done tased me twice already.
Let's go!
Listen to the officers here. Because she still won't let go of the Taser, they're about to deploy another shot in an attempt to finally regain control of this struggle.
You're gonna kill me. My
Let's
God.
go! Get your hands behind your back!
What is wrong with y'all?
Hands
What?
behind your back!
What? What?
Hands behind your back!
What?
Keep them there! Stop resisting, Kenya!
You mean?
Put your hands behind your back!
Get down on the ground on your stomach.
Can't lay on my stomach. I'm pregnant. I'm not refusing. I'm not refusing.
Watch what happens next here. She's still actively resisting, and the officers are about to use the Taser again, trying to finally bring this situation under control.
I am a pregnant woman. I didn't do nothing.
Relax.
I didn't do nothing, Tasha.
Relax.
My hand to God, I didn't. Well, listen. That's 5 times they tased me. That's 5 times they tased me for nothing, y'all. For absolutely nothing. They tased me for nothing. When I say for nothing, that, oh, damn.
After the incident inside Walmart, 41-year-old Kenya was originally charged with 3 separate crimes. Prosecutors accused her of misdemeanor retail theft involving less than $500, misdemeanor resisting and obstructing officers, and the most serious charge, a felony for allegedly attempting to take control of an officer's taser during the struggle. But in the end, only one of those charges resulted in a conviction. The retail theft and resisting charges were dismissed but read in, meaning the judge still considered those actions during sentencing even though they were not official convictions. The only charge Kenya was ultimately convicted of was the felony involving the attempted disarming of an officer. She entered a no-contest plea, meaning she did not fight the charge in court, though legally it's treated similar to a guilty conviction during sentencing. The judge handed down a 4-year sentence split into 2 parts, 2 years of confinement and 2 years of extended supervision. However, that prison sentence was stayed, meaning she was not sent to prison immediately. Instead, Kenya was ordered to serve 10 months in jail, with the first 30 days as straight jail time. The remaining time could be served under work release privileges, allowing her to leave for approved activities before returning to custody. After jail, she will remain on probation for 3 years under strict conditions, including no contact with Walmart, no drugs or alcohol, random testing, mental health treatment, maintaining work or school, and no weapons possession. If she violates probation at any point, the judge can activate the suspended prison sentence, which could send her to prison for up to 2 years followed by supervision afterward. Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.